Hi, I'm Shayna and welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. If you're new, welcome. I hope you enjoy my channel focused on plus size fashion and beauty. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Today I'm going to be doing a Gwynnie Bee unboxing and try on. I'm currently on the 2 at a time plan. So I have the 2 items that I've rented for the week. And then I also purchased 3 dresses from the Gwynnie Bee outlet, where they sell items that they're discontinuing from the service at great discounts. So here's this week's box, and let's take a look at those items. This is my rental dress from the brand Gabby Sky in a size 18. I'm very pleased with the fit. It's super comfortable and much lighter than I was expecting it to be. I really like the cute tie sleeve with the slight little trumpet on the quarter sleeves. Everything is just very loose and stretchy, very nice fitting. A subtle V-neck here. I love where it hits me right at the knee. I'm actually really more excited about this dress than I thought I would be. I will definitely enjoy wearing this to work. And I'll just say again how comfortable it is. It feels like I'm wearing a pajama shirt, but I think it looks a lot cuter than that, obviously. This is my Gwynnie Bee weekly rental dress from the brand Geely or Geely in a size 2X. I'm very pleased with the fit, and again I think this burgundy color could sort of be a Valentine's inspired dress. It has a nice empire waist seam that has stretch. I think these little pleats here make it very flattering, the way it flows over the body. The sleeves are great. All the material is like a heavy, sort of like a scuba material, but with good stretch. And again, a nice V-neck, but very modest. Good length right at the knee, and I'm about 5'5½", and the 3/4 sleeves. Another great dress. With Valentine's Day coming up, I think this is the perfect dress. This is again from the brand Leota in a size 2L, and it has hot pink lips all over it, and I love this. It's a faux wrap style neckline with the crossover here, and 3/4 length sleeves, and everything. The print is just so cute for Valentine's date night or night out with the girls. Here's another great Valentine's inspired item, again from the brand Leota in a 2L. I have this dress now in several different prints. It has this great sweetheart neckline, sort of surplice crossover, faux wrap style with little puff sleeves, in a stretchy, nice fit and flare shape that's very light and easy to wear. And this one has red roses, red and pink roses with green flowers all over it. So pretty and feminine. This is the dress I purchased from the outlet for only $9 from the brand Sangria in a size 18. Very exciting. It has pockets, and it's this really cute gingham print, nice fit and flare, wide enough straps that I can wear a regular bra, and a great V neckline that's not too plungy. And the material is nice and cotton, nice and light, and it also has a lining layer underneath, which is always a good touch, but it definitely feels very light and comfortable. And then there's a few extra details. There's some applique flowers on one shoulder and one hip, which I think is very cute. And then in the back there's a cutout, which I was a little nervous to see, but I think it's fine. It's positioned well so that it doesn't reveal anything, alarming. And I think it's just a super cute dress, very on trend, with all the gingham styles that we're seeing now. I purchased the Leota lip print dress from the Gwynnie outlet for $19.50. And I purchased the Leota Rose Sweetheart dress from the outlet for $15. So those are both great deals because the similar dresses retail on the Leota website for over $100, like I think about $120 or $130. So I'm really pleased with those purchases. If you haven't ever tried Gwynnie and you'd like to try it out for yourself, I highly recommend it. There's a link down in the description box for a free month trial. So I'd love to hear it if you decide to give it a shot. I'd love to hear about your experiences. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I look forward to getting to know more about you, and I hope you enjoy my plus size fashion channel. Have a great day.